Get into a car with value. 2018 Honda Accord. With less than 90,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. This Accord will dazzle you with its perfect blend of comfort, safety, connectivity, spaciousness, performance, and elegant style. It's no wonder the Accord has become an industry icon. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, fog lamps, electronic stability control, dual zone AC, aluminum wheels, power driver's seat, steering wheel audio controls, alarm, leather steering wheel. Feel what it's like to drive a sweet dream come true. Test drive the Honda Accord.